Hello everybody, so today I will be doing swatches of the Pastel palette Tombow dual brush pens. I recently ordered these and received them in the mail along with the Bright palette, but that will be in another video. First, I wanted to see how well these went on the paper in my bullet journal. It's the Leuchtturm 1917 bullet journal, and it went on really nicely, so I recommend using higher quality paper so that your brushes don't fray as quickly and everything goes on smooth. Obviously this is the pastel palette, so the colors are really light, and so this pale yellow color would not show up on camera, so I just went over it. In conclusion, I'm really happy I bought these brush pens, and I can't wait to use them in my bullet journal and for future projects. I love the colors, and I love how smoothly they write. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!